Okay, in this lesson, our learning target is finding the volume of spheres. And this formula is actually probably the easiest formula of the entire chapter. Ultimately, we would need to take 4/3, multiply it by pi times the radius cubed. You don't need to go find the height because a sphere, by definition, is perfectly circular. And the distance from the center of the sphere to any point out on the edge is ultimately the radius. So I just have to know, am I using radius or diameter? First picture is the radius. So I'm going to do 4 cubed. I'm going to grab a calculator for that. And then I want to multiply it by 4/3. So whatever 4 cubed is, 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 60. 16 times 4 would be 64. So 64 times 4 is where that 256 comes from. And now, if I'm doing Khan Academy, I want to leave my answer like that in most cases, just because I don't have to worry about rounding or anything like that. And I can divide that out. If it's a perfect number, I can type that in as well. I'll show you that both answers are potentially correct. Over on the other one, hide myself, the diameter is given. So I need to take that 12 and divide it by 2 because the radius is half the diameter. Diameter is distance all the way across. Radius is just from center to edge. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 cubed, I believe, is like 216, and 216 times 4 is where that 864 comes from. So now when we go to Khan Academy, um, I've got 5, and we'll split screen this like we've been doing on other ones. I've got 5, and I need to cube it. So 5, and I can hit the YN button on these calculators. There might be like an X cube button on your phone calculator if you're using that. You get 125, and then that needs to be multiplied by 4, the 4/3 part. So right now I can type in 500 over 3, and then I still need to be multiplying that by pi. Hopefully that helps you out quite a bit. Please give this Khan Academy a try, and more importantly, make sure you get the quiz completed. That is posted via Google Classroom and Khan Academy by the end of the week.